Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Solitaire. The goal is to move all 52 cards to 4 foundation piles, sorted by suit from ace to king. First, deal 7 tableau columns. The first column gets 1 card, the second 2, and so on, up to 7 cards in the last column. Only the top card of each column is face up. The remaining cards form the stock pile, ready for drawing. This setup is crucial for starting your game successfully. Now let's talk about moving cards. You can move cards between tableau columns by placing a lower-ranked card of an opposite color on a higher-ranked card. For example, a red 5 on a black 6. If a tableau column becomes empty, only a king can be moved into that space. Simultaneously, work on building your 4 foundation piles, starting with an ace of each suit and stacking cards in ascending order like ace, 2, 3, and so on, all of the same suit. When you've exhausted all possible moves on your tableau, it's time to turn to the stock pile. In this easy method, you draw 1 card at a time. Look carefully to see if this new card can be played onto any of your tableau columns or directly onto one of your 4 foundation piles. If it cannot be played, it goes into the waste pile. You can cycle through the stock pile as many times as needed, which makes this version more forgiving. You win Solitaire when all 52 cards are successfully moved to their 4 foundation piles, each sorted by suit from ace to king. A key strategy is to always prioritize revealing face-down cards in your tableau columns. This opens up new possibilities and helps you find more moves. Also, try to move aces and 2s to the foundation piles as soon as they become available. This clears space and progresses your game towards a satisfying victory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.